What is SpO2? SpO2% means saturation of oxygen in your bloodstream. For instance, some people might feel uncomfortable at high altitudes or on higher mountains. It might be resulting from a decrease in SpO2% in your body. Normally, the average reading of SpO2 on the ground is 90 to 100%, but this number will change by personal physics difference and elevation changes. And pulse-ox is a method that uses a combination of red and infrared light to measure SpO2 in your body. Being aware of your SpO2 can help you understand how your body reacts to various situations and assist you to establish a reasonable training plan. For example, when you go mountain climbing or involved in other outdoor activities with pulse-ox and Climb Pro features, you can clearly see the change of your SpO2% at different elevations. Also, you can use pulse-ox and sleep monitor to understand your SpO2 change in different sleep stages. However, some factors might affect the accuracy of the measurement, like personal physics difference, wearing sunscreen, lotion, and insect repellent under the device, or the external light might all affect the optical detection. So make sure your device is snug but comfortable, and remain still while it is detecting. If you have any questions about the readings, it is recommended to consult a professional doctor for a further check.